Change text color in Figma. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because Figma users often want to improve the appearance of their typography and match text colors with branding or design themes. To change text color in Figma, start by finding the colorful Figma icon on your desktop and opening the application with a quick double-click. Once the program opens, open up the specific project file you want to edit directly from your dashboard. After the design file loads onto your screen, locate the text layer on your canvas that needs a new color and click on it once to select it properly. If you only want to change the color of a single word or sentence instead of the entire text layer, double-click inside the text box and drag your mouse across only the specific section you want to highlight. Next, move your attention over to the right-hand side of the screen where the Properties panel is located. Scroll downward past the section labeled Typography until you find the section called Fill. Click directly on the small colored square swatch, which is usually black or gray by default, to open up the Color Settings window. Inside the pop-up, look for the solid color box and use the color slider positioned along the bottom to choose the general color family you want to work with. After selecting the color range, click and drag the small circular selector inside the large color square to choose the exact shade, saturation, or brightness you want for your text. If you already have a precise brand color in mind, locate the text box labeled Hex near the bottom of the pop-up window. Type or paste your 6-digit color code into the field and press Enter on your keyboard to watch the text update instantly on the canvas. If you would rather copy a color already being used elsewhere in your design, click the eyedropper icon located inside the color window. Move the eyedropper lens across your design canvas and click any color you like to perfectly match it. Finally, click anywhere on the empty gray background outside your design canvas to close the color menus and preview your updated text style. Glance at the top of the screen to make sure your file is fully synced. Then press Ctrl+S or Command+S on a Mac to safely lock in your changes.